Well, the first thing is we're going to want to disconnect anything that has potentially been affected and bring everything down in the network. Then we're going to want to go over it with a fine-tooth comb to figure out exactly what the extent of the damage and the impact is. If it's a ransomware attack, we're going to want to talk to the FBI. In fact, you have to, especially if it turns out to be a foreign threat actor or if you want to make any kind of insurance claim. We're going to need to examine if there's any kind of compliance requirements. If you're working in payment card industry and payment data was compromised, you have to disclose that to all of your customers. Similarly, let's say you were in healthcare, that has to be disclosed. Primarily because the fines for not doing so can exceed the actual incident repair itself.
Being hit is a huge shock to many people, and fundamentally the first steps need to be to secure your environment. To work with an individual or individuals who have the certifications, who have the resources to be able to take action in a prescribed manner. I would strongly suggest the very first thing you don't do is start to act on your own individually and potentially set up certain barriers or blocks within your environment. This could exacerbate the problem and it could accelerate the potential damage. I guess my big point is, rather than going through each individual action, find somebody you trust, somebody who has the capacity to address breaches, who is certified and capable, and can help counsel and walk you through the exercise and process of recovery and protection.